So hey guys. So this is one of the most effortless video I've ever made here in my YouTube channel. And this is just a little words of gratitude when I was alive. So this video I just made this in case na mamatay ko in the future because we really don't know where or when we die. What if mamatay ko karon? Unya ba dapit or ugma ba or sunod ugma or in a few next month or next year, we literally don't know what nakabalugon sa ang sistema sa world where the chickens are starting to run. Nabay halas. So, moto, what what I can say, na ako ingon nga to those people that has been part of my life, well, thank you for giving me lessons. Thank you for all. Thank you for the ano, sana, thank you for the way, ano, thank you for making myself realize that I worth more than nga kuan basta. So, dapat kani nga video kay 10 minutes na siya. Kay lisod kayo kay naay ko na ako ang YouTube na verification like mobile number nga magpamatuod nga ikaw jud ang user in this account. And I had to recreate this video because I have just, record myself within 20 minutes of, a farewell message, a words of gratitude. But now I have to recreate it. Okay, it cannot be posted. So on this afternoon ko sa tagsaon, thank you to all my advisors. Thank you. Thank you sa akong mga advisors in high school and senior high school. It was, like you did your amazing job. Thank you for making us feel nga love me ninyo. You just, like gituring mi ninyo nga anak. And then, yes, akong advisors ni Sir Ronald, ni Ma'am Jamailin, ni Ma'am Paye, si Ma'am Joyce, o mga to. Thank you kayo teachers, not just akong advisors but sa mga subject teachers. Tanan na I am referring to all teachers from Magallanes National High School that I am so grateful for being part of the Baganyan. So I'm just looking the time to oh, it's getting 3 minutes. So I'm just very grateful and thank you for teaching us lesson. I have learned a lot. We have learned a lot. Thank you for building us na like you made you made us like very determined life, like goal oriented, and you didn't stop motivating us to continue studying. And so that time motto, I'm so grateful. Thank you kayo ma'am and sirs, and to all my classmates in senior high school. I am so grateful unta nga to ang makabutan na nakato ang mga pangantoys in life unta dili mo mamatay. And then I hope that you will have a better future or a like kanang mas kuan pa kanang dili ra ko distract ano to unta nga madaog ta sa life. And then sa ako mga past classmates, junior high school classmates ako, thank you po guys, you were part of my journey. And yeah, I'm so grateful kayo. Thank you for those people who loved me, for liking me. Thank you for those um thank you for those like unwavering support and love, and for also for the compliments. Thank you guys, I really did appreciate it. And now I wasn't able ba pagali. So now since I don't know ug aha ko that in sa future. So this is just an in case, type of video that I really love my family, although bulayagon kay ko. Like dili kay mga bulayagon, like tubagero kay ko ba. And Oh my god, my phone is palunging. Dayon, thank you to my family ng nanay ng tatay especially because they were the people who ano, sana nga nagpadako sa kuha. Try nga hard mag-English ay. And then thank you for also sa akong mga best friends, to the to my realist friends. Sila Meldrill and Wendell, and then ang Jessa Michael and everything pa. I have a lot of friends and I know who's real and who aren't. And with that, kuha na kayo ka na. Sana, hindi pa ba na kayo state? Tanan mga friends ako, basta daghan kong mga friends. I love you both. If di man kayo ko mamansin ninyo, di ta mga friends char lang, pero maulan ko sa hi. And then, sa pa man, in case ug mamatay ko, hinaot nga, kuan, sa ko ang, sa akong lubong kay, like, sa ko bitang bijilan ning ana, kuan ninyo, i-play ninyo ang album nga SOS na SZA or meaning Save Our Souls because that album reminds me of how strong I am, how sana how vulnerable I am sometimes and kuan pod unta because I really love SZA. I hope that 6:54 hinaot nga makita ni Maljury and then i-request nga magpa-sounds og kuan SOS album ni SZA katong sa I Hate You, Special, Law, Far, Conceited, Snooze, Nobody Gets Me, Kill Bill, and everything. Basta daghan nga album. And then niapil na po lang CTRL nga album niya or ang Control because it taught me how to stay controlled. And mao to, I am still sad because what if ba nga mamatay gyapon ko nga 80s and then natinood jud is real. Ang tinuod jud is Jesus. I'm still, finding him. I'm still finding the path where my curiosity will lead me. And then kuan, I'm so grateful for the experience in this world. I hope that nga nakakuan ko, nakahaton sana. I hope nga nakahatag po kog lesson sa uban through making my contents. Char lang, content creator. And then, kuan. Ay mo ug makuan ko bitaw no if ever yung mga mamatay ko ako magamit no okay ra kayo nga inyo siyang pangayoon ipakita lang nga video nga pwede ra to those people nga kuan ra pod katong part sa akong journey kani if ever nga kani ako ni hatag ninyo tas katong tripod na ako ni siya panherit ninyo it's like a remembrance sa akong kagalingon so wala lang maghima pa og part 2 ani babay po sa nako ni